Mobividya is basically a mobile education portal. We started in September 2011. So the concept is to create an entire app store for the Indian audience. And we research on the way the Indian students learn and about on the mobile platform. So we started with the Gujarat market, and we are more into 2-tier and 3-tier segment. Students, we are targeting these segments. So first, I'll introduce one of my products, and here which is selected for this event. So can we go to next slide? Okay, so we have two products. Words Vidya. Words Vidya, basically these are word learning books, fun games, search books with the variety of features in it. This is basically offline book, not online. So Words Vidya next. So Words Vidya contains 55 data sets. So database is divided understanding the Gujarati student mindset. We work with the lots of teachers there who are, very prime education centers, and we develop the entire content with them for the softwares and the features. So next. So once we install an app, go next. So there are mainly 4 features: workbook, search, fun games, bookmarking. Next. Next, workbook. So there is a unique workbook. Next. So this workbook got the entire basic chapters which any Gujarati students or any other students need to learn in the initial phases. Next. Next. So the word content is displayed in this way. So word is phonetic pronunciation, is Gujarati meaning, is meaning and sentence implementation. Next. So customize, if a user want to customize, they can customize this app by changing its font size, changing its color, like choosing a details which he want to display or not. Next. So this is the color change. He can do a color change. This will add kind of interaction to them and entertaining factor for them. Next, bookmarking. So people can bookmark their important words they want to bookmark and want to revise, regular basis. Next. Fun games, which is basically a question answer book for specifically made for Gujarati students. Next. Next. So this is the way. So each quiz contains 10 questions with 4 options and timer limit. At the end of the this, he will get the entire result and analysis. It also has a two-way dictionary. First time in India, two-way dictionary was combined English to Gujarati and Gujarati to English. Next. So this is a two-way search in the app. Next. Okay, so this is kind of the entire app. The main features is a book, fun games, two-way dictionary. Now the fact come with we are targeting 2-tier and 3-tier segment. And the main factor is that these students, basically student category, don't use credit card and debit card. No matter how we market, they will not gonna come online and buy through credit card and debit card. So the challenge was us to set up the entire new systems, which can be, students can easily be offered. So we set up a next two-way systems is a coupons. So this coupons of Mobividya software, which is available on a retail store, is currently available in 14 cities in Gujarat. So these are available in bookstores, retail outlets. So we are more into offline selling rather than online selling. We sell through education institutions, we sell through bookstores, we sell through retail stores. And these coupons are purchased by the students. So students can easily compare these coupons with the recharge coupon. So this is the main concern. Our 99% revenue, whatever we have, this comes from the offline selling rather than online. Next. So this is how they will scratch at the coupon code in the centers, send an SMS. Now we also take on a factor that these students are probably counting your internet factor as a kind of if we go with the normal data plan in internet. So it's currently 96 rupees per month on average. So they were calculating in their mind about this internet charges. So we also want to remove this. So this entire system works on the SMS. There is online. This is the way. There is also credit card debit. We also keep the options open for people who want to buy online. Next. So this is what the Mobividya, Words Vidya. We have one more product called the Verbs Vidya, and we are coming with the different versions. We got a good numbers in Gujarat. Now we are converting this to Hindi and Marathi language. And we are more into offline rather than online selling. Thank you. It's on a mobile base, but it works without internet. So it's offline. So it's installed entire into your mobile. So you need not do the content is into mobile only. Yes. So the content is locked. You need to to access the entire content. You need to activate. What? Yes, we are targeting students based, about 16. Okay, so 16. So if there is no skill required as such, a normal mobile users can access it very easily. So like reading the vocabulary, our target segment is 16 to 25. But when we launch these applications, it's basically on Symbian and Nokia. We are coming up with the Android versions. So when we launched it, so what happens? Like we targeted 16, 18. Those people bought it. But the biggest factor we come up, people above 35 are 30% users of our applications. So they are basically using, if you look at the edge with the 35, about 35, they are more, attached with the brand Nokia. And they are the, specific, they also want to learn English and they are the, 30% users of us. So it's anyone can use it with the normal basic mobile knowledge and little bit of word power. What? Almost more than 5,000 people have downloaded. If we everyone has downloaded in a combo package, so you can say 10,000 applications got downloaded. And about the sale, we have more than 1,000 customer base. The price point for each application is 199. We are selling in combo, so if anyone want to buy together, then the price will be 299. So we are more competing with the books rather than apps. We are not on any app store, so we actually place ourselves in a competition of the books.
How do you scale this up? So, 1,000 customers at 299 is a great start. How do you get this to a point where you've got not a few thousand, but a few 100,000 users?
We take our application as a movie release. So suppose we target one city. Okay, so how we do it, we contact with the all institutions. In a week, we have a presentation in entire, almost all premier institutions in one particular cities. Apart from, we tie with the 2-3 retail outlets which are very well known. So once we present, we'll ask students to go there. If you like the presentation, you like the software, you go there and do it. Apart from, we have the local cables. So we have our own advertisement and kind of stuff which are run on the local cable. So this is the way we gather the customer base. Done? Yeah. Thank you.